Hi, this video is to show you how to do our homework that is due on Saturday, the CRM assignment. So for the CRM assignment, we have to screenshot a sales database of contacts, screenshot showing proof of a mass email to your contacts, and screenshot a report you created. We also have to do our hiking badge in the SalesForce Trailhead. So where do we start? We start at Trailheads. We're going to sign up using our Google. If you have a LinkedIn, you can use that. I'm just going to sign up with my ever-living prince. Fill out all the missing information. Everything that has a star has to be completed. You can really choose anything you want here. This information won't make your account any different. It's just for SalesForce's database. Alright, so here's the home page that you should see. It should say welcome in your name. I'm going to head and click Trail Mix. So for the homework, we just had to do one badge, so you can pick any of these badges. I'm just going to pick a quick 15-minute one right now. So the first one is Trailhead Basics, and there's 3 parts of it. So I'm going to click the first one. We'll do the first one together so we can see how it looks when it's time to move on to the second one. Voila. Now we go to next unit and we start the second one. Once we finish the second one, we move on to the third, and then we will get our badge. We screenshot that and submit that. Now we have to go to Developer Edition, Salesforce. That is a free edition. Let us sign up. And the same goes for this. You can put any role or any username. It does not affect your account. It is more for the SalesForce database. So now we have to go check our email and confirm our account, and it's going to give us an option to change our password. So now we check our email and click the link it gives us. We have to enter a new password for our account. And pick a security question. This should be the home page. So the second assignment is sales database of contacts. So we have to create contacts and screenshot them. So now we have to press the left 9 buttons there. We're going to click Sales. And this is where we will find our contacts. We press the Contacts tab. And here we are. Right now we have no contacts, so we have to add contacts. We're going to press the New button. We're going to press the New button. And we enter our contacts information. The first name, the last name, and the email are going to be the important parts. And then after that, you're just going to want to do it 5 different times. Once we have done it 5 times, we're going to screenshot our sales database. So there they are. The next assignment is sending out a mass email to our contacts. So we have 5 or 6 contacts now. Let's get started on creating the email template. The first thing you want to do is create a footer. To create the footer, we go to Set Up. We're going to click the email and then go to Email Footers. This is pretty much the signature that goes under every email. Go ahead and fill out that. And you want to make sure for your footer, you allow mass list and single. Now you want to switch to SalesForce Classic. We're going to click the plus after the subscriptions to go to our documents. What our documents is where we're going to store our photos that would be used in our email template. You want to click New and go ahead and fill out your document name. When you press Document Unique Name, just click it once and it should automatically fill that for you. Make sure you put Externally Available Image. Maybe add a small description to remind you what that photo will be. And then choose your file and make sure it is an image. And then we're going to save. Now we have our image ready. We switch back to Lightning Experience. We're going to go to Setup and Quick Search Classic Email Templates. We're going to put Create New Folder. You're going to fill out the folder label, the unique name, which when you automatically click, it will put it for you. Go ahead and click one of the templates. And save. Now that we have that complete, we're going to go to letterheads. You can either find that there on the left or also search it in Quick Search. Now this is just the layout of your email. Go ahead and make sure you put available for use. Write the name and just click the unique name and it should automatically fill out. Go ahead and customize it how you like it. You can add the document that we first saved there. So now we're going to go back to the classic template, and we're going to add the letterhead. So we're going to do new template, use the HTML, which will lead us to the letterhead, and go ahead and think of an email subject that you want to email your contacts about. I chose a website that I recently made, and I just need some feedback on it. I picked freeform letter, but that didn't allow me to use my footer. And then I clicked merge fields. I selected contact fields and first name. So the introduction to every email will say the contact's first name instead of not saying a standard one to everybody. We'll see how that works in seconds. Now we save and move to this page. We're going to press copy text from HTML version. It will copy exactly what you had to this page. Here's a preview of our email now. And I'm just going to test it out and send it to my personal. One thing you don't want to forget when finishing your email template is that you click available for use so you see it when you're ready to send it out. Now that we have our email done, we click the left 9 circles again and go to sales. From there we go to our contacts, click all our contacts and send list email. In the lower right, we'll see where we can add our template. Mine does not show my footer because I clicked the free form, but this is where we can see the different first names in our introduction. I had to add my own footer in this page. It should appear on its own, and then press send. Now we have sent our mass email. Now for the third part, we're going to switch back to classic, go back to the plus, and go to reports. So we have to create a report. Go to new report. I pressed accounts and click the account subcategory, and then here we are. So these are the filters. I chose type. Equals customer channel. Customer direct. Either or, but this way it will filter out some of the things listed. When you create a report, you're essentially asking a question and the results are the answer. After that, you click run report. And now if you want to go in and edit them, customize them to you, you can. And there we go. We just created a report. Screenshot this and you're all done.